Working out without equipment is affordable and accessible. Get started with bodyweight exercises, which are perfect for beginners. Squats, push-ups, and lunges. Use your own weight to build muscle. You can do them anywhere, even in a small apartment. Consistency is critical. Aim for 3 sessions per week for each exercise. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Start with this, and as you progress, add more reps. Staying consistent helps build momentum and develops discipline. Squats are a powerhouse move, engaging multiple muscles. Keep feet shoulder width apart, back straight and lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Strengthening your legs and glutes this way also aids core stability, and it's all about form over speed. Push-ups are your go-to for upper body strength. Start with kneeling push-ups if necessary. Ensure your body is in a straight line from head to knees or toes. It builds your chest, shoulders, and triceps efficiently. Trust the process. It gets easier. Lunges are fantastic for lower body toning. With your back straight, step forward and lower your hips. Keep your knees in line with your toes. It targets quads, glutes, and hamstrings, improving balance and coordination. Alternate legs for balanced strength. Planks are ideal for core strengthening. Maintain a straight line from head to heels and hold for 30 seconds, progressing to longer holds as strength improves. They enhance total body stability, which is foundational for other exercises. Embrace the plank burn. Everyone struggles with form and motivation initially. Common pain points include not seeing results fast enough and muscle soreness. Remember, initial gains may not be visual. Focus on feeling stronger and more energetic. Patience is pivotal. For those aiming to lose weight, mixing bodyweight exercises with cardio is effective. Consider jumping jacks or high knees for cardio bursts between strength sets. Calories burned matter. Cardio keeps the heart healthy and weight manageable without equipment. Fitting workouts into a busy schedule can be daunting. Try breaking sessions into 10-minute blocks if time is short. Pro tip, engage your family or roommates to join. It increases accountability and makes exercise a shared, enjoyable activity. Improvement might feel slow, but tracking your progress helps. And write down the number of reps and sets you complete each workout. And revisit this often. Witnessing small victories boosts motivation and provides a tangible sense of achievement. Staying hydrated and nourished is as important as exercise. Drink enough water throughout the day and eat balanced meals. Protein and veggies help repair and build muscles. This approach supports energy levels and workout recovery without big diet alterations. Finally, don't overlook rest days. They are essential. Muscles need time to recover and rebuild. And rest effectively prevents injuries and improves performance in your next session. Enjoy these days guilt-free as part of your fitness journey. Balance is key. You know,